Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay and this tutorial we're talking about communication. Oteejay is the owner of the account logged in and she happens to be a teacher, and we will be using her portfolio as a house mistress to actually work on sending communication to the different to the students and parents of the students in her house. Now when we click on this particular link, we'll be presented with this interface. On this interface we'll have the communication button here, and if we click on communications, give us an interface which we can use to send communications. Now this first one is for sending communication to the parents of the students in her house, and this one is for sending communication to students in her house. Now whenever I send this kind of communication, it's going to send an email to the email of either the parents or the student, as the case may be, and also send a notification with the full detail of that message to the user's account, either the student's account or the parent's account, as the case may be. Now for this example, we can actually send she can actually send communication to all parents of the house female students, because she is the house mistress, so she is the house mistress of the females. Now another kind of condition, she can send to all students. When she wants to send to all the students in the house, she can use this particular proceed, and when she clicks, it will send to all students. When she wants to send to all borders, she can use this one. When she wants to send to unknown borders, she can use this particular link. That's the same thing we can use. She can also send under the classification of the classes they belong to, and this one is for UPA 3 and this one is for SS1. So she can also send to, that is the borders of let's say this one should be the parents of the borders of SS1 student, SS1, and the parents of SS1 non-borders. Now we can also let's just use one of them. You can say she's sending to all parents. You can click on this proceed. It's going to be all parents. Now this interface is all parents of students of the house. Now she can actually specify the subject of the message and actually the body of the message here, and click send. It's going to be sent to all parents of students, now female students of the house, but she's a house mistress. Now going back to that interface, you can decide to send to all borders, SS1 borders. This one goes to parents of SS1 borders. The same way you can specify the subject and then the border of the subject and click send, and it will be sent to the parents of SS1 borders. And remember that it's going to be delivered to their inbox, in their email, and it's going to be, there will be a notification having a very detailed copy of that message that was sent to their inbox, so that when they log into their account as the parents, they can actually have access to this particular communication. Now we can go back there, and when we go back there, we can actually have access to send it to the parents, to the students directly. And this one has the classification the same way we have classification there, but in this case it's going to be the students, not the parents of the students. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this tutorial, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. And make sure your school is signed up on all scholars.